Carnage FK back with another video. I'm installing the hood struts on my 2023 GMC Canyon AT4X. With this one, it has the little hood prop right here in the center, kind of. So it's going to be in the way of future modifications. So I plan on just eliminating that. For mine, I ordered it off of Amazon. It's through this company right here. You could look it up. I've seen them priced kind of high, up to almost $100. So mine were around $40 shipped, something like that. So it wasn't too bad. So I think it was like $35.99 or something like that around there, and then like $40 shipped maybe. But it wasn't too bad. And yeah, so I'm gonna be doing an install. It's gonna be this bolt, which is a 10mm, and then this bolt up here, it's gonna be a 13mm. This one is going to be the one that's going to be up here at the very top. And then there's this other one that's going to be right here where the 10mm is, right here hanging over the side. So it's very simple. Just undo those screws, go ahead and slap them in, re-put in the screws to hold them in place, and then you put on the hood strut. So it's very simple, guys. I'll go ahead and transition that part into this video so you guys can see the after. But as you can see right now, it looks very cheaply made with that hood strut, especially it being a GMC truck, especially it being a $65,000 truck. You know, for the Edition 1, you would think that it would be more luxurious or have more stuff that is similar to a luxury vehicle. So to me, it's kind of like a no-brainer to just go ahead and do this and get this install done as soon as I could. So yeah, just bear with me and I'll go ahead and add in that transition so you guys can see the after video of how everything turns out. Thank you guys, and I'll catch you in a little bit. Okay, so this is the other part of the video. The gas struts are in, or hood struts, I must say, but they have gas chambers inside of them. Anyways, so 13mm up top, bolt, remove it, add this other little bracket that's right here. This won't be here, obviously. Then you take off this 10mm and then add this bracket that's right here. And then after that, it seemed like I was having an issue with fitment or something like that. But really, you're gonna unlatch if you had the hood prop open or the hood stand open on it. You're gonna disconnect it and you're gonna lift it up so you can get the space that you need to go ahead and clip these in place. For some reason, I was having a brain fart with that. It took me a couple minutes, but all in all, full install should be about like 10 minutes. For the hood prop is a 10mm. You're gonna go ahead and just take that off and then just remove the hood prop if you no longer need it. I don't see a need for having it on the truck if I'm gonna be using the hood struts, and it's just an extra piece that's just here. So, and then on top of that, it doesn't even go in with the hood struts in. So I'm gonna go ahead and take this off right now. But yeah, guys, let me see. So this is a 10mm. See, so you can see that it's turning, everything's good. So yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. I'm gonna go ahead and remove that, and that'll be the end of the video. Thank you guys for watching. Like and subscribe so you can stay up to date on all the newer features. I might end up getting the brackets for the lights. They go on the hood prop right here, or on the hood stands. I believe they're around anywhere from $50 to $100, something like that. So I have to double check. But yeah, these were pretty good price. Everywhere else, it was like 60 plus where I was finding them. So Amazon, I ended up just looking a little bit further, deeper in. I ended up looking up as Colorado, which everything, the fitment's pretty much the same on the Colorados and the Canyons. So just a heads up, if you have an issue finding Canyon parts, go ahead and look it up under Colorado, and it should be the same fitment. Sometimes they'll even say Colorado/Canyon, but if you try to just look it up as Canyon, for some reason it doesn't want to pop up. So yeah, just go ahead and do it that way. And if it's a part that looks like it fits, you can do it like that too. Also too, I believe this is a jumper point right here, or a ground. It might be a ground more than likely. Yeah, so it just makes it easier for that. But they have this is pretty exposed, so I don't know why they would put a ground right here. So I don't know, maybe they just did it to connect something else or whatever, something different, I don't know. But yeah, you can still reach it I believe you can still reach these, no problem. You just unlatch that and just pull it off, and that's your positive and your negative. But going off topic anyways. Yeah, so pretty simple install. I'm just learning new things about the truck like you guys are. I just haven't had that much time to do a full review on the truck itself. But these engines are tried and true. They've been on the Silverados. The torque is really good for the size of the truck. You know, it's really impressive. For a normal Canyon, you're looking about 7,700 pounds. For AT4X, you're looking about, I believe they said it's 6,000 pounds. And the Edition one, I believe it's 5,500 pounds. So because you are gaining quite a bit of weight, so accessories up front, the heavier wheels with the beadlocks, you're gaining the side rails in the back, so there is some weight that's to it. And I believe also your load capacity is dropped significantly too because of the heavy duty off-road kit that's on these trucks. So just keep that in mind. If you do want a truck that hauls more or that has more weight capacity, I would suggest going for like a Denali or Elevation or something like that. You can still mod them similar. You know, if anything, you have more capabilities when it comes to adding off-road kits for those trucks. But that you're really paying for a lot of the creature comforts and features of the AT4X when you buy one. The front and rear lockers, stuff like that, you're not going to get with those other trucks. But if you don't off-road like crazy, honestly, you're probably better off just getting one of those. About 80 to 90% of the people that are getting these trucks are probably not even going to use them for what they're meant for, to go seriously off-roading. Me, I just like having the most extreme stuff. You know, as you can see with my Type R, you know, I could have got a basic Civic, but I got a Type R because I've always wanted one as a kid. So that was my thing. And I've always wanted a nice, you know, all-out off-road truck. So that's why I went with the AT4X. So, you know, I could have went with the basic version, but I went with the Edition one because I wanted to have all the bells and whistles and everything. But honestly, it's all in your favor and what you feel like you're going to use the truck for at the end of the day. And you really don't need to splurge too much because it will save you quite a bit of money, and you'll be able to do a lot more cooler stuff to a truck that isn't of higher value off the lot, because now you're not paying as much per month on the truck. So now you can put that all into buying a better light bar or doing ARB stuff or AEV stuff to your truck. You can add all those nice features and still have a vehicle that you feel like you don't have to worry about driving it around wherever you want to go and beat the hell out of it. And that's what these trucks are for at the end of the day, is to really just test these trucks out and have fun with them and do stuff and not be afraid to go out in them. That's why I ended up getting the truck, was to be able to do some fun stuff, because with the Type R, it's more of a show type of vehicle. I can race it around and do all that stuff, but I really don't want to risk losing my license over racing a car around all over the place. So it's not more practical than a truck, you get me? So plus that's the reason why I went 4-cylinder, save some gas too. But yeah, these trucks are pretty good on gas if you don't mash on them all the time. So yeah, they're pretty good. But yeah, if you guys like the video, like, subscribe. Sorry for my rambling on. And I'll catch you guys on the next one. You guys have a good one. I'll try to do a review on the driving, launch control, maybe some other features in the future. Also, too, just a heads up, I ended up finding out on my own about the Colorado. They do have the rear tailgate storage compartment. So, you know, I just wanted to go ahead and clear that up. I didn't know it at the time on my last video. So I wanted to go ahead and plug that in for this one. If you guys like the video, like I said, just comment, like, subscribe, and I'll stay up to date with the new videos. Hit the notification bell, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. You guys be safe and stay blessed.